This is the handle replacement for the Arrowhead brass PK1290. This is just the normal aluminum cast handle. It is not rubber coated or anything. It's just a plain Jane metal handle. And as in here, it comes with the handle and the screw. The one that we have on this faucet right now is actually rubber coated, so we're going to change it out to the metal. So what you're going to need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver. You should have one laying around. Take the screw out. It might be a little bit harder on the older hydrants. Over time, you know, the screw rest might be a little harder to get out. Alright, now we got that one off. We'll open our pack here. So this is the aluminum handle. It's just a metal handle. It does come with a screw. The screw is a self-tapping screw. So on the new stems, so if you had to replace the new stem and you wanted a new handle, that stem is not going to be threaded on the inside of the handle right here. So this screw will actually cut the thread as you thread it in. So I'm going to put this one on here. Get it lined up good. Alright, and that's how you replace the PK1290 metal handle.